Guys, and welcome back to another class of our course about the complete introduction to Instagram marketing. So in today's class, what I want to talk about will be the course structure. So basically we're still in the introductory part of the course. So basically my goal here is really to introduce you to the course as well as the course curriculum. So you'll understand what exactly we're going to learn in this class. So I could have added this in the introduction, but once again, I prefer to create a separate class to talk about the course structure. So let's start. All right, so basically the few points that we're going to talk about today will be the course curriculum, the teaching style, what you should expect to be able to do by the end of this course, and finally, what are some practical skills that you guys should have by the end of this course. So pretty simple. When we're talking about the course curriculum, how I divided it is pretty simple. So at first we're going to have the introduction. This is exactly what we're having right now. Then we're going to have a presentation of Instagram. So basically we're going to really go live on Instagram and talk about what exactly is Instagram and really understand this application. We're going to talk about different ways of using IG or Instagram and the benefits of this application. We're going also to talk about who is using this application. So basically ordinary people, celebrities, and what are the goals of the people that are on Instagram. We're going to go in the part of setting up your account. So basically we're going to choose the right account for you. We're going to create your account. So basically we're going to create a personal account as well as a business account. We're going to talk about the difference between both of them. We're going to talk about the advantage of having multiple accounts. So basically why you guys should have more than one account. Well, maybe not personal, but if you have a business, sometimes having more than one account could be a good thing. Then we're going to go a little bit more in the business side of it. So we're going to talk about the competition. So basically how you can understand your competition, who is your competition, and all this stuff. We're going to add different informations to your account as well as different buttons. We're going to connect, we're going to talk about how to connect your Instagram and Facebook. We're going to talk about different tricks that you guys can use to grow your following base and how you can convert your followers into consumers. Then we're going to create a plan for your posts on Instagram. So basically we're going to talk about how you guys can create a plan, what are the best moments that you guys can post, and all this stuff. We're going to talk about hashtags. So basically what is the importance of hashtags, how it works, and all those things. We're going to talk about the IGTV. So there is a small section that is dedicated to this element. Then we're going to go in the selling part. Here we're going to talk about how you can sell products on Instagram, what type of products you guys can sell. Basically when you're selling products, how you can sell those products. And then we're going to basically have a part about posts. So basically what type of posts you guys should post, when you should post your posts. Basically we're going to talk about pictures, how you can retouch your pictures, and pretty much everything that is around really the post themselves, depending of what type of business you guys have. So you'll see it's pretty interesting. What is the teaching style? So what I meant by talking about the teaching style is my way of teaching. So basically if you guys took any of my other courses, you know that I'm teaching a lot by practice. In my opinion, practice is the best way that you guys can learn. So you'll see in this course there will be a lot of practice. So basically you will be able to practice everything that you guys will learn in this class really live on the course, and you will really have practical skills by the end of this class, and you will be able to use them for your personal benefits, or if you guys have a business, you can use it for your business, or even start your own business where you can offer those services. So what you should expect to be able to do by the end of this course. So basically, as I said, you should expect to be able to create an Instagram from A to Z and be able to promote your Instagram account. So basically know some basic tips and tricks that you guys can use to grow your Instagram following base and really reach the right audience. So basically, if you're selling shoes, you have a business that sells shoes, basically your goal is not the same that someone who tries to, really grow his following base and doesn't really care about who is following him. So basically you want to really have some specific consumers that want shoes, that want to buy your shoes, and the other person simply wants to grow its following base. So basically it's not the same thing. So basically you will be able to, as I said, really understand everything that is around Instagram, account creation, account promotion, product selling, really linking up your business to your Instagram account, and really business promotion with Instagram. Finally, what are the concrete practical skills that you guys will have by the end of this course? So basically understanding the ads that you guys can run on Instagram, how to promote yourself, how to grow your following base. So basically you will be able to by yourself grow your following base and really understand how you can grow your followers and really have specific followers, be able to spot specific followers and be able to grow your following base. So you'll see it's not that complicated. So basically this is for the course curriculum, and basically this is for what exactly you will learn in this course. So I hope you guys are happy with this type of course curriculum. And as I said, I really try to create a course that is a lot learning by practice. So this way you will always be able to practice everything that you have learned really live on the course. So that's it for this class, guys, and see you all in our next class.